Hi, I'm going to show you guys how to make nutty pudding. I eat this every day for breakfast and I love it. It's delicious and it's good for your health. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go over the ingredients. You need a measuring cup, 3 cherries, some mixed berries, ceylon cinnamon, almond milk, flaxseed, macadamia nuts, pea protein powder, and finally walnuts. First step is to add a teaspoon of walnut powder, 4 teaspoons of macadamia nut, a teaspoon of flaxseed for omega-3. The fourth step is to add 4 tablespoons of pea protein powder. Now add 3 cherries, half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Now you need half a cup of mixed berries. You can pick any combination you want. Now add 75 milliliters of almond milk. If you want your pudding thinner, you can add more. Now if you want, you can add some pomegranate juice for brain immune system and other benefits. Add a teaspoon of ceylon cinnamon for blood sugar benefits. Okay, we're all set. The final product should look pinkish to bluish depending on what combination of berries you put in. The last thing to do is to drop a tablespoon of cocoa powder and blueberries on top of the pudding. You can add other fruits of your choice on top too, but berries are the best for your health, and I think they go the best with the pudding. If you want, you can also add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. It gives it a nice texture. Enjoy!